Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you are watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing the question number 6A. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of assignments in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you need the answer of these questions, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 9009368238, and you can contact for the online classes also if you need. And now here question number 6. Now here is the first one is Riya wants to purchase an assembled desktop computer. So first, what major hardware devices components she should ensure to be assembled? Which software she must get installed initially so that the desktop computer becomes functional? She wants to transfer data from her laptop to his desktop. Which portable small storage device she may use? Which in output device she should purchase and connect with her desktop if she wants to listen to songs? And she installed Mass Office in her desktop. Which type of software it is? She wants to convert her note on components of a computer into digital form. What input device she should use? So these are the some questions are given. If you need answer of these questions, so please contact us. We will provide all the answers accordingly according to your satisfaction. Now here, thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.